Glasses. Oh my goodness, guys. Guess what? The last 2 nights I slept with my contacts, and today I have to let my eyes breathe. All right, guys. So, welcome to my video today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make some very quick PayPal money, and it's going to be a very easy method as well as no skills required. All right, guys, so let's get started right now. Hi guys, since you're on my YouTube channel, I just want to point out this link on my channel art here on the right. It says make big money here. What this is that you want to check it out because it's going to tell you how I make an online passive income every single month. I make a full-time income this way, and you could learn some online skills doing the same thing that I do. And I'm just a stay-at-home mom, guys. If I can do it, you can do it too. It's going to make you a lot more money than the method that I'm going to show you in this video today. And I'm going to link it right here in this video on the top right. So, I mean, on the top right of this whole video. So if you look at the top of the video, you should see the link right now. But let's go to the site that I want to show you today where you can earn some quick PayPal cash, guys. It is here at Unique Rewards. With this site, you can earn PayPal cash very easily, guys, okay? Earn real cash doing what you like to do, and all you gotta do is fill in the registration form, and then you're gonna do some online tasks, and then you're gonna get paid from all the rewards that you are earning from doing this online cash, PayPal cash, or a manual check. So you're not even going to be getting any kind of gift cards or anything like that. You are going to earn cash. So if you don't have PayPal access, then they will send you a manual check, but checks are very easy to get lost, so you just gotta be aware of that, and it takes a lot longer to receive. What's great about this site is that they actually pay every single Monday, so you can expect your PayPal money in your account on every Monday, but you have to have a minimum of $20 in your account before you can cash out. So if you had $20 in your account this week and you request a payment, you will be paid next Monday right on time. I don't know what time of day on Monday, but they do say any time on Monday. So it could be early Monday, it could be late Monday, but you will be paid every single Monday. So what are you going to be doing on here? There's going to be 6 different ways that you can earn from, okay? You could complete offers and surveys. You could watch videos. You could listen to the radio. I mean, how much more easy it is to earn money this way, to earn some PayPal cash this way. And then you could clicking on ads you can earn, and shopping online, and even reading emails. All right, guys, this is very funny that you can earn this way, and it's going to be available for so many people because you are just needing access to PayPal, or you could get paid by check. So this is literally almost everybody you can do this. Now I'm going to go to the bottom and go to FAQ. So I'm not going to go through all the FAQs, but what I want to mention here is that for cash offers, so these are things that you are going to either sign up for a trial, or sign up for some kind of subscription, or sign up for a free account, and then you can earn the rewards on the site based on the trials that you are taking. And then the next thing you can do is get cash back from shopping through their website. So this is like a rebate, okay? So if you shop through their website, what happens is that that merchant that you shop on will pay this website an amount of money, and then what Unique Rewards is going to do is going to pay you a portion of that, and that's how this cashback shopping works. Surveys, I mean, everybody has kind of heard of surveys, so you just need to fill out surveys. You just got to complete surveys, and you could earn this way as well. Clicks are clicking on ads, guys, so you could just literally view ads and click on them to get credited for earning. You can earn PayPal cash this way as well. For videos and radio, basically. These two things have it run on the background, guys. And it's going to be even easier for you to earn this way because you could just do other things while these things are playing in the background. So these are really just, you could just turn it on and earn passively that way. And then there's offer walls. So how to complete surveys and offers via offer wall. So this is just a different type of access to the surveys and offers that I was talking about up here, and the surveys here too. So, okay, the other thing I want to mention that you can earn is the referral program, okay? So here it is. Can I refer people to unique rewards, and how much do I get paid for this? Yes, it's a really good way to earn a lot of money. We have a unique referrals system. So you could get $1 for each person that completes his first offer. So you just got to refer people with a unique link. So once you sign up for this account, inside your membership area, you will look for where you can refer people, and there's going to be a unique referral link just for you that you can send out to other people. So you can invite your friends and family and a lot of different people. You could go on social media and tell them how to make money with the site, and then ask them or tell them to use your link to go sign up. And this is how you can encourage them to complete an offer, because that's how you're going to get paid, right? And so you could get paid $1 for each person that you bring in and completes their first offer. Any easiest offer, even if it only costs like 10 cents. We pay $5 for every active referral. It means that every time when one of your referrals earns 20 or more dollars, gets the active status, and you also earn $5 just once for one referral. So each referral that you get and they actually earn up to $20, then you're going to get $5 more earned. We pay 10% of the qualified earnings received by your referrals for your lifetime. So this is a great way to earn some passive money, guys. 10% of everything your referrals earn, and for the lifetime that they stay on the platform. And there's no restrictions on how many numbers of people that you can refer. So this is absolutely the best way to earn on this site, really, because all the other options, what you do is using your time and trading time for money, because you're not earning anything passively. So when you refer other people, that's how you can earn some passive income, because you're going to leverage their time and their actions. So when they earn, you earn too. So that's what unique rewards can do for you guys. And if you want to earn this way, then it's a great way to save up some money. And why you want to save up some money is that you want to be able to learn some online skills, guys, okay? Now, this way of earning is you don't need any skills, obviously. You are just clicking on things, you're just answering questions, you're just doing very, very easy things. But you are really earning very little money at a time. So if you could learn some online skills from like the program I was telling you about in the beginning of the video, which is I'm linking again up here right now. So this is something that I'm currently using still, and I've been using since 2016, guys, okay? This is something that I've been using to learn online skills that makes me thousands of dollars a month consistently, guys, okay? And it's going to be free to start. And so you do need to, at some point, upgrade to premium, because you do want the entire membership, or else you won't be as successful, because you only are very limited if you stay free. All right, guys? All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did. And so I hope you liked this video and click that thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. All right, guys, I hope I see you on the next one and make more money, guys. All right, talk to you later. Bye.